Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add IDM extension in Opera browser. So let's get started. So to add IDM extension in your Opera browser, what you have to do is first of all open up your Opera browser. After opening up your Opera browser, now what you can do is just tap on this Opera icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. So just left click on it, and by doing that you will open up this menu. Now what you can do is just tap on extensions. After tapping on extensions, now what you can do is just turn on the developer mode. So you can find the developer mode option in the top right corner of your screen. You just have to turn it on, and after turning it on, now what you can do is just close this tab and then right click on your Internet Download Manager IDM. So just right click on it, and after right clicking on it you can find bunch of options. You just have to tap on open file location, and by tapping on open file location you will open up the files location. Now what you can do is, and now you can search for IDM GCEXT. So you can find this option. So what you have to do is just minimize this window and then open up your Opera browser and just drag and drop it in your Opera. And after doing that, after dragging and dropping that in your Opera browser, here you can see you have added that extension in your Opera browser. So now what you can do is just tap on install and then tap on yes install. And by doing that, here you can see Internet Download Manager extension of Opera has been downloaded. So now what you can do is just close this page and then use your Opera tab. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.